2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Central Park, and we're gonna have breakfast there with our camping buddies, with Kobe and Gucci. Let's go, mga beshies! Let's have fun for today!
All I'm saying.
This is my every Saturday morning.
Wow, are you sure?
Healthy, fit.
Wow, model.
Yeah. This is 5 minutes and this
Wow.
is also
5 minutes,
Yeah.
5 seconds I think that one.
first you do like this and your hands must be like this.
And then?
And then you do like this.
Best 5 minutes ha? 5.
Right.
Let's go mga beshies! Let's stay fit and physical with the view.
Malilit yung sweldo para di bumili ng damit eh. Ayun nga yung iniisip
Back to me. Let's go. Ay, taray.
Give ka naman some advice.
Lumalagotok yung mga buto ko, besh. Pag nasa 30s ka na, ganun talaga ang feeling. Lumalagotok ang mga buto-buto natin.
What advice you will give to your viewers?
You have to be physically fit when you're in 30s onward. fruits because you know you're getting older and you need to take care of your health because health is wealth. Let's go. Hi sir, good morning. Where are you heading?
Where are you from? I'm from Butte.
Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're going to IKEA with our friends. And we're gonna go to a food festival in Yas Island. Let's go, come with us! Good morning mga beshies! Good morning! Good morning!
Miss Mariel!
Ano ba? Tito Boy! Good morning ate! Good morning ma'am!
Good morning!
Wow, inom pa more. Good morning. It's our first time to have breakfast at IKEA with them, with my family. Let's go. Hello. Mag-hi kayo, ha? Mag-hi ka, besh. Tapos ano ka na magbabayad ng ano?
Parang nga kasing tao bugod si John. Ayun sa kalansanay.
Kaya magtingin talaga. Nagkulit tao, no? Oo. Oh, di ba? Kinabog pa niya si Tabi.
Kasi maglakad sa init. Eh, hindi siya mapag-drive kasi ano siya, splak.
Mahasplak mo.
Tent lang.
Hello! Say hi! Hi! Mag-shopping muna kami mga beshies para sa mga mansion namin sa Pinas. Let's go! Miller. Shopping na si Sheka Agnes dito kasi ano, marami siyang kailangan ng kasangkapan sa bahay niya. Ma'am! Ma'am. Maybe. Pangkuskus ng libag. Diba? Pangkuskus to ng libag. Social lang pangkuskus ng libag. Galing pang IKEA. Oh. Pangkuskus ng kubeta naman to. Oh, ito mga ganito. Mga kemedu.
Oo nga, bumili kayo ng isang plato yung ubi ko sa amin.
Wow, nahiya naman kami pabibili.
Dos lang, oh.
Dadala na lang kami ng ano, disposable para tapon na lang diretso. Ito ang ganda, oh. For lang. Pang ano, bulalo, besh? Besh, pang bulalo, oh. Lahat na yan. Ano, bibilan mo?
Ang beauty nasa ano, lagi may suhol.
Ito na yung mga donya natin, mga namimili-mili lang dito. Sa IKEA lang sila namimili. Kasi IKEA lang afford nila, yun lang. Allergic sila sa mga day-to-day tsaka mga ano, greenhouse. Tago pa more. Roxy, akala mo, hindi ko napapansin ang pagtalikod mo, ah. Ayun, saan na yan? Harina. Paano humimod si Beshi?
Hoy!
Ice cream.
Dugon yung yan. 1, 2. Hindi tayo kasha. Ano yun?
Nakasira ka na.
Kaya nga.
Hello mga beshies, we're here at the Yas Gateway South Park. So we're gonna attend the Taste of Abu Dhabi. Thank you sa sponsor ng tickets. God bless you, love ya.
I will be the best.
explore this Taste of Abu Dhabi festival. Let's go mga beshies! I'll bring you with me! Let's try mga beshies! Ano daw yung free? Yung ano? Punta tayo sa noon. Yung Battle Store doon, yung sinabi ni ate na free.
Nauna pa daw yan.
O, 1 na!
1:30 daw.
May free drinks? Let's check on this. Noon food first. Ah, cooking registry. This is for cooking. Cooking class. You want cooking class? Let's try different Battle Store. We're gonna head back there later on. So, ito. There are different stalls, different stores and brands are here. So, let's check it out. I think there's gonna be some freebies as well in other stalls. It's for a while. Girl, you're amazing.
Pwede ko naman siyang ano.
Good morning, Abu Dhabi.
Pretty Malik is here. Yay! And this event. Let's go.
You to come and join us. We're going to be making crepes. Is that right? Crepes is that what we're making, which is so exciting. Absolutely free session. At the end of it, we're going to pick one winner that walks away with a Kibson's box as well. Super fun.
What are we gonna eat? We're so confused. There's a lot of hotel restaurants in here, but we don't know where to eat. Gonna buy cider from here.
And I would like you to give your burger
Let's try taco asad. Order here and the rate is loaded.
I know I live in very close by.
Ayun, may libreng Pepsi, bebe. Pero maliliit lang. Gusto mo? Putas. Thank you. Ang laki naman. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Cut. Let's try. Sparkling passion fruit. So refreshing. Wanna try? It's nice. You wanna?
1, 2, 3, funky.